L'art n'est pas en confinement.
L'art n'est pas en confinement.
L'art n'est pas en confinement.
Non, l'art n'est pas en confinement. La preuve, le Centre des arts de la Maison d'Haïti innove en créant Kujai.
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 Un espace artistique virtuel pour donner aux artistes et à la population un souffle.
Un air.
Un lieu artistique et culturel, bref, un espace essentiel à notre vie.
Kujai est une célébration.
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 Merci à tous les artistes qui ont répondu à l'appel et tenté l'expérience avec nous.
Chaque jeudi à 19h.
Surveillez notre programmation en ligne chaque jeudi à 19h. C'est donc un rendez-vous.
L'art n'est pas en confinement.
L'art peut nous aider à vivre le confinement. Kujai.
Salut tout le monde, ici Kéti Antoine pour votre émission hebdomadaire Kujai, directement du Centre des arts de la Maison d'Haïti. Kujai, c'est l'expression qui vous rappelle que l'art n'est pas en confinement. Donc, comme à chaque semaine, on vous fait découvrir un nouvel artiste montréalais issu de la diversité. Donc, cette semaine, je suis très heureuse d'avoir rencontré pour vous Melody.
Bonsoir, ça va bien? We eat the world with music and the quarantine and more love. Oh well. Oh no, no, no. Oh yeah. When did it start? Where shall it end? When does it matter where it's began? When did it start? Where shall it end? When does it matter where it's begun? Stop crying and try harder. Me no Iraqi done it rough up a yard, yeah. Stop crying and try harder. Me no Iraqi done it rough up a broad, yeah. Hey, Jah give us strength and motivation to make a better way. Why you crying when you can pray? Good Lord, stop crying, try harder. Me know you rock it and it rub up a yard, yeah. Stop crying, try harder. Me know you rock it and it rub up a broad, yeah. When did it start? Where shall it end? When does it matter? Where it's begin? In every action there is a reaction, and everyone is searching for their own satisfaction, yeah, trying to come to their own solution. But when did it start? Stop crying, try harder. Me no Iraqi done it rough down a yard, yeah. Stop crying and try harder. Me no Iraqi done it rough up abroad, yeah. Hey, Jah give us strength and motivation to pray along the way. Ha! Jah give us strength and motivation, determination, perseverance to move along the way. Why you crying when you can pray? Lord mercy, tell me, when did it start? Where shall it end? When does it really matter where it's began? Hey, when did it start? Huh? Where shall it end? Yeah. When does it matter where it's began? Stop crying and try harder. He rock it and it rough up a yard, yeah. Stop crying and try harder. Me know you wicked and it rough up abroad, yeah. Jah give us strength, motivation to move along the way. Jah give us strength, perseverance, determination to move along the way. Just Rastafari.
Alors, on se retrouve à côté de Melody qui vient de nous faire une performance d'introduction. Melody parle juste en anglais, alors ça va être franglais pour cet entretien. How you doing?
Bonsoir, madame.
Oh, I love this. I love this. Melody. Melody, where are you from?
Well, I was born in Clarendon, Jamaica, in north of Clarendon, where most of the artists come from, like Barrington Levy, Freddie McGregor, and all the farmers. That's where I'm from, the farmer part of Jamaica.
So I see you're very, very proud of where you come from. Tu es très fier de ton origine. Is it something special that runs in your DNA?
What runs in my DNA? I think it's a lot of spirituality, you know, and a lot of love and a lot of family thing where when you cook some food, you bring some to give the neighbor, and you're always checking on each other and make sure each other are right. Wake up in the morning, you walk over to the neighbor to check on their doors, you know. So it's kind of bring that warmness and the music and the whole rootical vibe of our black people and Africa and, you know, the whole togetherness.
Exactly. That's what I was about to say. We can hear all of that in your music, especially the family vibe.
Yeah, it's very important, you know, because a lot of us born with a gift, you know. But to really spread it out in the world, sometimes you don't get the opportunity, even through the music, to put it out there through the music. So sometimes you just have to put it out to your neighbors and your friends and your surrounding and your kids, you know. And because there's always a way how to put it out there, because family is very important. Very important.
Yes,
especially when
is.
you're a passionate person of family and love and spirituality. Yeah, you need that to see everyone come together. Because even on the streets, you're trying to make people a family, you know, even guys standing on the corner.
I feel you. I feel you.
You know?
Have you been in Montreal for a long time?
I came to Montreal in 1987.
Okay, that's
and I keep going
quite a
back
while.
to Jamaica and stuff. Hope to go to 80 soon.
So you've never been to 80?
No, but my
What a
nephews
shame.
are Asians. My nephews are from 80. And and I have a lot of Asian friends. But there's always a part of me that's yearning to get connected to that culture and to that, your neighbors, your people, your African people.
Yeah,
Because until we recognize that we're all one
That's it.
people, then there's not going to be no togetherness.
So how do you translate that in your music?
Because music is an inspiration from the Almighty. So if you think positive, and if you think good thing in your heart and good thing gold that you want to reach, even as going to Haiti, is about disconnected. You feel disconnected. Because one over there I'm Trinidadian, one over there I'm Barbados, one over there I'm Asian, one over there I'm Jamaican.
Yeah.
But where is the togetherness, that post in the middle that we all should hug?
You know, my father used to say the only thing that separates us is a bolt stop.
Yeah.
Because
So,
we all come from the
and sometimes you walk
same
on the street
motherland.
and I see an empress and I said, hello. And she's like, oh, I don't speak English. And I'm like, oh, man. You know, so it's like, and you know, so it's like the language and everything kind of
Totally.
separate. But we shouldn't make that an excuse. We should always reach out, no matter the language or not.
Greetings to the world. Love. We need more love. We need more love. Yeah. We need more love. Yeah. One love for you. One love for me. One love for you. One love for me, yeah. Let's get together and live in peace and harmony, yeah. When will we learn that one love for you and one love for me is in unity, yeah. One love for you and one love for me, yeah. Let's get together and live like one big family. And the bear over there, him a kick up a dust. Him have the west hand and up fast. Eagle over there, him a war in the east. Him a try to preserve the peace. But I know, Lord, the power and greed, that's what they seek. Yeah, power and greed, that's what they seek. Yeah, can the bear over there kick up a dust? Him of the west and enough fuss. Eagle over there in my war with the east. Said him I tried to preserve the peace. But I know that power and greed, that's what they seek. Yeah. When will we learn? When will we learn? One love for me, one love for you. Let's get together and live like one big family. Could you imagine the way it would be? Everyone living in harmony, sweet harmony, sweet harmony, sweet harmony. Yeah. One love for you, one love for me. Yeah. Let's get together and live like one big family. Yeah. Let's get together and live in unity. Whether you're black, whether you're white, the care of the language that you speak. You could have come from the east and from the west, migrate from the north. Run, come live us out. One love for you, one love for me. Yeah. Let's get together and live, yes, like one big family. Boy, can it hear over there, him kick up and dust. Him of the west hand and up fuss. Eagle over there, him a war with ease. Ma trying to preserve the peace. But I know power and greed is what they seek, yeah. God bless him. Thank you.
Tell us, introduce me to your world. How did you understand? When did you understand that this was your vocation? This is what you needed to do, because you're still doing it today. So it means a lot.
I grew up with my dad from I was 1 year old.
Okay.
So my mom was a bamboo guitar. So when my dad leave the house, I have a bamboo guitar.
Mm-hmm.
We use a knife and we lift the skin of the bamboo and we put a piece of stick underneath. And then we use a
as an instrument.
And we play
Mm-hmm.
all day. So even when your parents get home, you don't realize that they're home. Because this bamboo guitar become your babysitter, your neighbor, and your friends because you're like 10 miles away from the main road.
Mm-hmm.
So the only neighbors you have is when the trees blow and you heard shh. That's all you hear. So music become your company. It become your friend. We play conga drums.
Mm-hmm.
I play the mama drum, which is called do, do, do. And my dad played the tickle drum, which is tum, pakatikam, patum, pakatikam, patum.
So it's a family affair.
Yeah, so we have a mission where we play music. And then when people died, my dad is the one who go and sing at the wake.
Mm-hmm.
And at the church, we sing at church also. And at home, we have a church also. Plus my mom is a singer too. All the family is singers because they all grew up in the church, So I think that's where it comes from.
Everything
from the blood.
started from. And when did you understand that this is a career? I'm going to travel the world with this. I have a voice. I have a message. When did you understand that?
Well,
and what kind of message?
I've been running away from that for a while.
Okay.
Because
that's
my
interesting.
music, it comes with a lot of temptation.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people, I could do this for you. Music, no. I could give you this money. Music, no. Because what the money for the music come with, I wasn't agree with. And I didn't know that until I started taking music seriously. And all these people start coming to me with all these different way of making it in music, which have nothing to do with my spirituality. So if I was a person who glad to bust and to make it big in music, I would be boss. But when I look at you, I wouldn't be the same person because of what I have to partake in to be source
Yes.
of that music source. So that's when I realized I have to do my music spiritually. So I mostly sing spiritual music. I have like one girl song
Okay.
called What Must Have Been an Angel.
Mm-hmm.
So I find myself mostly sing inspiration from the Almighty, which is music to uplift our people.
That's
and our
amazing.
nation.
Knowing that, I would love you to share with me then what's your best, your all-time souvenir of your career so far.
Is to know that when my kids are hungry and I go to the bank, I see there's something from my royalty that I sing from my voice. That majority of the time, some woman, when you're raising your kids and you're doing music and it's not bringing in no money, stop it, nice. Turn down the music. It doesn't make up nice. But later on, when they see on the TV and the check comes, and when you get that money, you're like, and you sit at the table and you're eating it with your kids. It feels so good to know that it's not from nothing corrupted. It's from your own voice.
Your
And the
gifts.
same music that someone is turning it down. Now they're turning it up on the TV to listen to it. So the most pleasurous thing to know that God has given me an inspiration and I've using it to be able to put food on the table.
You're a very interesting person.
Yeah, because when I buy my daughter her shoes, and it's like, that's from I am blessed. she put on the shoes, she's like, I am blessed, And you know that it's from that,
Yes.
It makes you feel good. That's the most joy of things.
I think it's
of
the
music.
best gift you can receive and understand in life. That
Because the other
smallest
part of
thing or
music, the
biggest
business
thing.
part, the bus part, the superstar
Yeah.
part, it comes with a lot of things. And a lot of things you have to go through, man. But if you choose the spiritual part, like me, I could go to the church and sing. I go to the Indian place to sing. To the Indian synagogue to sing. So I go anywhere there's the Almighty to sing. So I don't choose to, my Rasta, I don't go there. No, I go there because I'm universal. So if God is there, I'm going there. So no religion shall stop me if I'm going nowhere. If you don't speak English and you speak Creole, I'm going to learn. I'm going to learn till moon sa ufe.
I guess you learned the language of the vibration.
Till a moon sa ufe. I'm going to learn.
When I turn on my television and I see all the youths in Africa, them starving from starvation, then I start to wonder that we got everything right here in Canada. Yeah, when I look on the television and I see all the youths them a suffer, then I know we have everything in this part of the world. We just got to give a little, take a little and satisfy. But when you look and see how much you have, there is nothing else that you can say. But I am blessed. Tell the world that I am blessed. All I'm saying, I am blessed. Tell the world that I am blessed. Yes. Although they try to see me down sometimes, my Lord, by the strength of the Father, I will rise. He gave us spiritual wings to fly, and He take us up on high. So I'm saying I am blessed. Tell the world that I am blessed. All I'm saying, I am blessed. And then when I know why you are blessed, God blessing all over you. And then when I know just why you're blessed, tell them the blessing will cover you, yeah. Then when I know just why you're blessed, and the blessing all over you, yeah. Then when I know just why you're blessed, put your hands and just say I am blessed. Tell the world that I am blessed. I woke up this morning, see the sunlight shining through my window pane. And then I said unto myself, Almighty God, I bring forth life once again, once again. You got shoes on your feet, clothes on your back, and food on your table. That's when you know you are the fortunate one. Everybody, I may want you to sing my song. Let me hear you say it. I am blessed. Tell the world that I am blessed. Oh Lord, I woke up this morning. I see the sunlight shining through my window pane. And then I said unto myself, Almighty God, I bring forth life once again, once again. You got shoes on your feet, clothes on your back, and food on your table. That's when you know you're one of the fortunate ones. Everybody said, I am blessed. Thank you.
I want to ask you, because this show was born with the initiative of, it was born under the circumstance of the first pandemic, in March. So we wanted to
reach out to people,
reach out to artists.
To let them know there is a light and the sign of the tunnel.
How those strange times change you or affect you as an artist, as a human being?
Well, it affects in a way that you cannot get to perform live or to travel as much. But I think not the disease itself, but the moment, I think it do something good,
Mm-hmm.
Because we get together with our families and pray and eat together. Usually, me soon come. Everybody's so good, busy. But nowadays, quarantine, everybody's home praying on the phone in the morning time, talking to their family, reaching them on the phone, and spending more time with their kids and their family. Because usually everyone is like gone.
Yes.
And I think everyone get to know each other a little bit more in this pandemic. So it's not a good thing, but goodness is in it, because it shows that we don't need the world, we need ourselves.
I like that. It's not a good thing, but goodness comes out of it.
We don't need the world, we need ourselves. So all the running, we be running, doing all these things, we realize that we're just running because the door is open. But now that the door is closed, we could go within ourselves, love more, share more, do more, and be more kind.
Thank you.
God bless.
Thank you. I thought we were giving you, a gift, but you are bringing gifts with you.
No, because what you're doing is putting leaf on a tree that is been growing the root, but not blossom. Now you put the blossom, the leaf on it, to make people recognize that even though 80 is in a position, everywhere in the world is in a position, but there's people who's there. We don't have to be in 80 to be in 80. You're right here representing for your people and your culture, and show them that there's a light here shining somewhere else in the world, which is directing the love right to 80. So big up all my Asian people. Big up yourself, all my Jamaican people, African people, St. Vincent, Barbados, Trinidad, Black, White, Indian, Syrian, no matter which language you speak. One love, because we all one brothers and sisters.
This is how we're going to hand this.
All one brothers and sisters.
Love. With love. Everybody.
God bless.
This is Melody. Tout le monde, je vous présente Melody. C'est vraiment un artiste à découvrir. On peut le trouver sur toutes les plateformes de réseaux sociaux. Et moi, je vous invite à rester avec nous. La semaine prochaine, il y aura un autre programme Koudjaï pour vous, directement du Centre des Arts de la Maison d'Haïti. Mon nom est Kéti Antoine et je vous dis à une prochaine fois. Thank you, Melody.
God bless. And everyone that make this possible, we love you. God bless. Keep on doing the good work.
That's what's up.